Dito ako kay kuya. Kasi mali siya. Sino tama sa amin ni kuya? Oh. Hindi nasunod si kuya. Galit si mami. Galit. Ano? Oh. Pagsasabihan mo si kuya. Are you gonna tell kuya? Ha? That he's wrong? Oh. You tell kuya na. Call kuya. You call kuya. Oh, kuya daw. Tawag. Kuya, did you hear that? Lian's calling you. Tell kuya na. What's wrong? Why mama is mad? You tell your kuya. There's kuya already. There's kuya. Oh, kuya. Kuya's here. You tell her. Tell him. Tell him. Oh, tell kuya. What happened? Why mama is mad? Tell kuya. Okay. See? She's telling him why he's looking at you.
Hindi lang ako huminga.
It's okay.
Hindi lang ako huminga.
It's okay. You're great. No, Lian's gonna tell you something. What happened, Lian? You not mad to kuya? Huh? Are you mad to kuya too? You look so serious, huh? Okay. Why? Because kuya is not... Okay.